Welcome to MBBS Council. Kaloji Narayana University of Health Sciences released Telangana State Applied Candidate List for Government Quota MBBS Seats. In this video, let's analyze the data and predict the expected NEET score cutoff for Telangana State Quota based on last year category rank cutoff. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to avoid choice filling mistakes while picking the best medical college for your NEET rank. You can download the applied Telangana state rank list by visiting the KNRUH's website. The second column represents roll number and the third column represents NEET All India rank. You can also find your applied reservation category and the local region. You can calculate your state rank and category reservation rank from this report. You need to find OU region state rank and OU region category rank. For example, All India rank 129, Mukamula Pawan Kalyan gets OU BCD category rank 1. And NEET All India rank 634, Ashrita gets OU BCD category rank 2. Make sure that you neglect candidates from SVU and AU region to calculate the local region category rank for OU region. If you are on premium subscription with MBBS Council, you can contact your counselor by WhatsApp to get your OU region state rank and OU region category rank. Here I have listed last year All India closing rank, OU region state closing rank and OU region category closing rank for government quota in Telangana. For OC category and EWS category, OU region state rank is used and for other reservation category rank is used for prediction. For example, under BCC category, last year, candidate with OU community rank 37 got seat under category A. His NEET score was 434. If we check the NEET score of candidate who secured OU category rank 37 in this year applied merit list, we get 405 NEET score. So this year we expect the NEET score cutoff for BCC category to be around 405, decrease of 29 marks compared to last year. Category ranks do not vary much each year as they are directly related to the number of MBBS seats available in that reservation category. So if your BCC category rank this year is less than 37, you have a very good chance to get Telangana government quota MBBS seat. MBBS Council app contains Telangana state local region closing rank and local region category rank for all medical colleges in Telangana based on the allotment list released by KNRUHS last year. You can find closing rank for local and non-local quota based on the location of the medical college by using the MBBS Council app. Let's say if you belong to BCB category, then you can get category A seat if your OU category rank is less than 267. If you are not from OU region, then your BC category rank should be within 193 to get A category MBBS seat. If you find this video helpful, cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counseling to get best medical college for your NEET rank, contact paid admission helpline 044 4631 3330. If you find it difficult to get OU region state rank or category rank, contact helpline. You will be able to find which medical college you have chance to get by knowing your OU region state rank and category rank. See you in the next video.